guys, it finally quit raining, so we actually have a chance to look at the Z.
I just found these pants. A rag. 1030 high mileage. Spanner wrench. Coilovers. Burger King hat in here. Let's see. Some cardboard. Receipt. Coke bottle. Get some wheels out of here.
Look at that. All the receipts and everything, guys. If you want to buy this Z, please contact Ben. No.
What's up with all these dirty, crusty rags? Candle. You want a candle?
It's fake.
The hood vent's fake?
Yep. I'm pretty sure.
Nah. Pop the hood.
Whack.
It's confirmed. The vent is not fake. Anybody wants to buy some CB7 Accord parts, let Benny know. They're laying here in the grass.
Here's some
What's left of the grass.
wire we cut off of it. Fuck, now it's kind of hard to see.
Yeah, I mean, we can come out here with a shovel if you guys need some parts.
Yeah, show the young kids how we do it out here in this 84 300ZX.
Fuck your 240. Just kidding.
I mean, 240s
I
are
like
cool.
240s.
We do go ahead and apologize for her.
How
So-
we got the suspension?
Actually just take the shocks clean off. And weld the fucking strut shut.
Super stiff. They got some brake fluid. Hopefully it's not for, you know, an issue.
Probably is. Why else would it be in there?
Got, both of them are full. So I'm guessing we're good.
Check out this custom dash, guys.
So much cleaner without all the bullshit in it. So that's a start.
Guys, this is a super extreme cold air intake because look how far away it is from that engine, guys. If you want to buy this car,
Oh, that almost scared me.
I think we're making a good deal on it right now. I think we'll sell it for $35,000.
Lowest bid. That's firm.
It's firm.
I know what I have.
I mean, look, anything that says turbo right here on the side of it, it's worth it. Dude, it's so fucking cammed out. Just kidding. Did you hear them fucking cams? She's off to get the keys so we can do some hood rat shit.
Does burnouts. Can't really tell, but one wheel peel for sure.
Don't move to the hood.
Dancing. Feel cold. Now I'm dancing because the camera's on me.
He's gonna make a duckbill with one of these freaking plates and put it on the Z.
What are those, 12s? 13s?
Yo, let us know what we should do to the Z.
Definitely. We need some ideas out here.
Do a front lip with them too. Like a whole fucking wide body cam license plates.
That'd be dope. Yeah, hell yeah. Oh, I got some more, so I'm gonna go find them. So there's that one. There's one on the back of this car. Alright. I should be accumulating at least 4 of them tonight so I can do this.
Let's go steal some tags.
Let's go steal some tags. Shit.
Bet.
I don't think we're that hood rat.
Bet. 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 Bet.
going through it tonight, and we're screwing again there tonight. So we got these license plates we're gonna make a drift bunny wing out of, and foam so it don't leak into the car. Trusty enough. Brackets. So what we got here. That's those won't work. These might work right here. For perfect. Look. Boom. No washer, nothing.
All those mounts are perfect. You need to mount straight into the fucking car, bro.
Oh, these have washers on them. Ooh, nice. Here's 2 good washers. Here's 2 good washers. Do this. Boom. Think it'll leak? I'm gonna put some shit around here so it don't leak. Alright, so we got all our license plates ready. Got our shit put together so it don't leak. And here we go. Here we go, guys. Alright, guys, so we got all our license plates installed for a license plate rocket bunny wing. Fit pretty good. What do you guys think? That's pretty dope. I like that. I like the way they fit. Straight across. What is this, dog food?
Dog food on the
The
back bumper.
Alright, here we got Jeffrey. One night, me and Benny was in the shop. Said, hey, let's put together a little shop guy. We got exhaust as his pants, and I guess one of his shoes or legs. A cut coil from
Off my 01 Toyota Celica.
there you go. Of course, you know we
A
gotta get.
piston out of a Mazda motor.
Yeah,
one
we got
of
2
3.
pistons. Cam gear for his head. His body though is the tricky part. It's a mount for the battery. Like what? Who would have thought of that? So his name is Jeffrey. He just hangs out, watches the shop,
Fucks bitches.
fucks bitches, gets money. That's Jeffrey. He's always chilling by the Corona 12-pack of beer.
And the impact.
Because he knows how to drink and he can work on shit and get it done.
So guys, I figured out a little issue. Our handle doesn't work. Got these pins that come out of here on the sides so the T-top will stay in place. It's not working, so we're gonna try to fix it up. Got that screw right there. The screw right here. See what we can do with this. Oh, that looks weird. Hey, you use this. Oh, nice little mechanism right there. That could be easy fix, dude. You can open it, but you can't close it once it's open. You gotta do it manually. Fuck. go. It's in. Ouch, that fucking hurts. I'm gonna leave that cover off. Well guys, next step is putting a steering wheel in. Here we got this Grip Royal steering wheel that I've had in a previous car. Neochrome wood grain, already got the hub attached from previous cars. And we're gonna install this horn on it too, so got some hardware. I'm pretty sure we got a 19mm bolt in there, so we'll try it out. Oh, well, that was easy. Now it's time to get the steering wheel out of here. Ooh, that was super easy. Nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to bolt this up in there. We're gonna have to line it up. I don't know if this has a notch or not, but see that focus. I have to guess at it. Be alright. Guess for now. Should be the same pattern. You think I just send it?
Yeah, fucking send it. Ooh, damn. Well, it's easy if you have an impact.
Hell yeah, it is. Now it's just gonna be stuck in there for life. Alright, I got a quick release somewhere. I'm gonna throw a quick release out, take the steering wheel off, throw a quick release on there, throw the horn on there, and see what it looks like. So this steering wheel right here is a baby. I only had it in one car. Still in mint condition, so here's that other quick release we got going on here. It's the Neochrome. Looks like a charm. Here's this bad boy.
Oh man, that is fucking nice. Damn, up close. Look at that.
Stay tuned and y'all be able to see where this goes in one day. Put this back in this phone.
It's deep dish too.
Oh yeah. We got a horn in here also. It's a Grip Royal. Okay, check this out. Grip Royal horn. We're gonna take the steering wheel off and put this quick release in. The steering wheel might sit crooked. Might sit perfect. Well guys, steering wheel's in. Tightening up these last few bolts. Feels pretty good. Hell yeah. Well guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel for a chance to win this Mint Z steering wheel. Only on here. Clutch Cartel.